Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well and enjoying your lockdown period. As you know that we have covered all the topic related to the chapter bird. Okay, we are going to do a quick recap of the chapter. Okay, you can say it is a remedial video also for all the students who have joined or not joined the Zoom online class. Okay students, so with the help of this video you can revise this chapter quickly, okay, and you are able to understand about bird. Okay, so let's start. So we have already discussed about birds. What are birds? Birds are the animal that can fly. We have discussed that how they fly because of they have light body weight, it has a streamlined body, and it has wings. Means birds have wings, birds have a streamlined body, and birds have light weight, so that they able to fly. Briefly, fine. So what are birds? Basically they are kind of animal that can fly. And how they fly? Because of these many reasons. Okay, actually their body divided into head, trunk and tail. Okay, and they are having two pair of limbs. The first one is legs and the second one is wings. Now the next one is they have two legs but they have no hands, and their wings, they are having wings also. Birds have wings as well, and the wings covered with the feathers. Okay, feathers are what? Very colorful part in the bird. And on the place of mouth, as we are having, they have beak. With the help of beak they can make the nest, they can eat, okay, and they don't have teeth at all. Next one is body parts of the bird. So we know that these many body parts of birds having, like they have eyes, beak, belly, claws, feet. Okay, they have feet, tail, wings and head, or you can say the head as crown. So let's move to the next, that is wings and feathers of birds. So what are wings and what are feathers? So we have discussed. Let's recap this also. Birds have wings of different shapes, sizes and colors. So what is the work of wing? Wings help the bird to fly. Okay, without wings bird cannot fly. Okay, and there are three kinds of feather birds have. The first one is down feather, the second one is body feather, and the third one is flight feather. We have discussed all the three parts of the feather briefly. Okay, now let's recap this. We have discussed feather briefly in the previous video session. Let's recap this. The first feather is down feathers. Down feathers are soft and short. You can see in the example the feather the bird having, that is what? Very soft and short. It's lie next to the bird skin and help to keep bird's body warm. Okay, So the next one we have already discussed, that is what? Body feathers. What are body feathers? Body feathers give the shape to the bird's body and it cover whole part of the body. Okay, the next feather, the type of feather is flight feathers. What are flight feathers? The flight feathers are on wings and tail. You can see here where the flight feather are. It is on the wings and tail. You can see here where is this kind of feather, flight feather, that is on the wings and the tail. Okay, let's move to the next one. Mouth of birds is called beak. Where they use the beak to eat and to build the nest, or they use that beak smoothen their feathers. Okay, so this is called preening. These are the uses of beak. The first one is for eating and for building the nest and for smoothing their feathers. Now let's discuss quickly about feet. Birds have 2 feet actually. Okay, they have 4 toes for walking, hopping and picking the things and catching the food and holding the food. Okay, they have 2 feet and 4 toes. Okay, what is the use of this feet? For walking they can use, for hopping, for picking things and for catching and holding the food. Okay, different birds have different kind of food. So now let's understand what is the science behind birds' flight, how they can fly, how they are able to fly. Let's learn about it. Flying birds have these many different properties so that they can fly. We have already discussed some property in this session only. Okay, let's discuss briefly. Why they are able to fly? Because of their light weight, smooth feathers. Okay, this reduces the forces of weight and drag. Okay, so this is the first property. Because of that they are able to fly. Okay, the second one is a beak. Instead of a heavy bony jaw and teeth, this reduces the force of weight. Okay, because they are having beak, so that it reduces the force of weight. This is the second reason. The third reason why they can fly, because of light bones. A bird's bones are basically hollow. The bones are what? Hollow with air sacs and thin, tiny across pieces to make bones stronger. Okay, so this also reduces the force of weight. Okay, the next one is a rigid skeleton. Okay, the next reason why they are able to fly, that is what? Rigid skeleton. It provides firm attachment for powerful flight muscles. Okay, this helps with the force of thrust. The next one is a streamlined body. Okay, the streamlined body, this help to reduce the force of drag. Okay, and the last thing why they can fly, that is what? Wings. Wings enable the force of lift. Okay, so these many reasons, just because of these reasons birds able to birds are able to fly. Okay. The next thing we are going to discuss, that is what? Where do birds live? Okay. Birds build the nest for their survival. Okay. They use twigs, grass, feather, cotton, wool, leaves and something even mud to build their nest. Okay. So the nest is very important for the birds. Why it is required? Let's discuss. Actually we have discussed this. Let's recap. It keep them safe from the bad weather. The first reason of what? Nest. The first reason why they built nest, that is what? It keep safe from the bad weather. The second one is it protects from their enemies such as snakes and birds of prey. Okay. And the next one is birds lay their eggs in their nest. Why bird uses the nest? Birds build the nest to lay and hatch their eggs. See the picture. Why they use nest? They use nest to lay the eggs. Lay the eggs. Okay. Birds use twigs, leaves, mud, dry grasses or any light weighted thing to build their nest. So students, I hope that you have revised with me the same chapter birds. Okay. Now have fun, do your work, do hard work. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.